So this will be a quick video, but one that should be useful. Because I was in the habit of when I would draw a shape that I would forget to go back and click the select tool before I continued. So I would draw my shape, I'd forget, and then I'd just draw shapes everywhere before I finally started backing up and get to the select tool. Well, a viewer, and I forget who, and I apologize, told me a while back that there's a setting here, General Settings, on the Editors tab, down at the bottom, switch to select mode after drawing shape. Pretty genius. I should have known at the time that LightBurn would have included it because they got some pretty big brains over there at the LightBurn Labs. So when you draw a shape, now you don't end up drawing shapes all over the place if you have that setting selected. So I appreciate the person that let me know. And if anyone has any topic suggestions or they need something cleared up that they've seen done somewhere else or a video that I've posted, I'm glad to try to help you figure it out. So let me know. Check back often for new videos. Take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.